Today we're going to work on your print alignment for when you're printing on the blank 1500 forms. You're going to select a claim in your claim list. You can print from here as well as at the top when you're finished doing a claim. Your print button is above. Down here you'll see where the form printer settings are. This is where you can make an adjustment if needed after you do your first print onto a 1500 form, whether you're new to the program or you've switched printers. The alt text at the top left is going to move everything on the form and is generally all you're going to need to use. So by looking at one you've already printed out, you could see if it needs to adjust up, down, left, or right. It's about 1/8 of an inch per click. So if it needs to go to the left, you would just move it to the left, up or down, you would move it up or down. Once you print this out, it'll hold these settings so that you can look at it. If you need to adjust it anymore, you can just add to that adjustment until you get it to print just right, and then you don't have to change it again unless you're switching computers or printers. If it comes out and your top is looking fine and the bottom half needs to go a little bit up or down, your vertical spacing will pull the bottom half down by an expand or push it up with a contract. Your carrier text up at the top right is simply just your insurance name and address. That is in the case that you're using a windowed envelope and you want to make sure when you put it in there, your insurance name and address shows up fine in the envelope.
If you still have any questions, just give us a call at 844 CMS 1500. That number again is 844 CMS 1500.